Number 8, Ohio State women's basketball lost to number 20, Maryland. And this game was a home game for Ohio State, 76-75. And I apologize for looking at that because I cannot memorize all this stuff. And this impacts NCAA tournament seeding down the line. This is besides the Big Ten standings. I mean, Ohio State's now 22-4 overall, and 11-3 in the Big Ten. They need to keep pace with Michigan to be second place in the Big Ten. Yeah, that's not going to happen with this loss here. And Maryland's now 21-6 overall, 9-6 in the Big Ten. Ohio State was actually up at halftime, 48-31. Maryland did score 45 points in the second half. Ohio State scored 29. But there's more to the game than that. That's why I'm definitely going to go over the last minute of the game. This is besides the stats. And yes, Ohio State was up by double digits at halftime, and they were even up as many as 19 points in this game. Believe it or not. So that's a brutal loss when I see one. Especially that you were at home. So, around 1 minute left, with 1 minute left in the game, Chance Gray from Ohio State got defensive board, but there was a technical foul, a double tech, like on Chance Gray and on Maryland's Olachai Okonkwo. Just to let you know, and honestly, it says both committed turnovers, so I'm just saying that right now. And around 51 seconds left, Ava Watson from Ohio State made a 3, assisted by Jelani Cambridge. And around 31 seconds left, Addie Mack missed a layup for Maryland. And there was a dead ball rebound. And it was a foul was called for Ohio State. And there was a foul called on Murray McLean for Maryland. And Kenny Cambridge went to the line. Missed both free throws. Not exactly ideal. Maryland got the defensive board and they called timeout. But then there was a 5-second violation around 20 seconds left. And Chloe Kitts missed a 3 from Ohio State around 20 seconds left. Jelani Cambridge got the offensive rebound and missed a 12-foot jump shot around 12 seconds left. And Kylie Kitts got the offensive board for Ohio State. And Salem Poffenbarger from Maryland fouled around 10 seconds left. And Kylie Kitts went to the line. She had a chance to tie the game up, but she didn't. She made the first free throw, but missed the second. Kenny Cambridge got the offensive rebound for Ohio State. And Kenny Cambridge missed a layup. And Yarden Arden-Gazan got the defensive board. Apparently, Ohio State couldn't be quick enough to foul because Maryland just dribbled out the clock, it appears, or try to get the play keep away at the very end. That's just tough when you had chances and you couldn't convert. Now, Ohio State didn't shoot ball bad in this game, 46% on 59 attempts, 52% on threes on 21 attempts. However, 63% on free throws on 16 attempts. You got to make a little bit more on free throws. 34 rebounds, 8 of those offensive, 15 assists. Now, 18 turnovers, that's way too much. 7 steals, 3 blocks, 17 fouls, only 3 points off the bench. I mean, Kylie Kitts with 3. And 2 double-digit scores to literally combine for Jelani Cambridge with 29 points. And she had 8 rebounds, so a near double-double. She did commit 5 turnovers, though. And Chance Gray with 25 points. So 54 points right there combined for 2 players. 2 other players scored 6 or more points this game. Had Ava Watson with 9 points and Kenny Cambridge with 7 points. Yeah, Ava Watson got a little bit more than her average, and Kenny Cambridge was just a little less than her average. Now, Maryland had how many bench points? Murray McLean had 8 points. Kendall Walker with 3 points. Randy Wilson with 3, so 14 points off the bench. 4 double-digit scores literally combined for Olachai Okonkwo had 17 points. Yarn and Gonzalez had 17 points, so that's 34 points right there. Addie Mack with 14 points, so that's 48 points right there. Plus Salem Parfenbarger's 13. That's 6. Okay. 34. 48. Yeah, 61 points right there. Yeah, 61 points right there. Yeah, and Olochai also had 10 rebounds. And with that tech, by the way, apparently she fouled out of the game. I'm just going to mention that right now. And Maryland shot 36% from the field on 70 attempts, so 11 more shots. 34% on threes on 35 attempts. 70% on free throws on 20 attempts. So they made more free throws. 47 rebounds, 22 offensive, 18 assists, 18 turnovers. That's way too much. 11 steals, 2 blocks, 20 fouls. Now I'm going to go with the points out turnovers, points in the paint, fast break points as well. Points out turnovers favored Ohio State in this game, 26-14. Fast break points favored Ohio State, 13-10. Same thing goes for the points in the paint, 26-24. So what's the remaining schedule for both of these teams going forward? And here, well, you got to go on the road to Minnesota next, Ohio State. Don't sleep on them. February 18th. February 22nd, you got USC at home. I don't think you should lose, but because you're at home. But then again, you lost this game. Then you get to host Michigan, your rival. That's big on February 25th. And then March 1st, you got to go on the road to Michigan State. You have to obviously wait and see what happens in that game. As for Maryland, you got Purdue at home literally a week from now, February 22nd. I don't think you should lose that game. You got Northwestern at home, February 25th. I don't think you should lose that game. Then you got to go to Ohio State. To Michigan on February 28th. If you can beat Ohio State on the road, maybe you could beat Michigan on the road, but I don't know. And that's really all the games right there. So anyways, if you like this content, hit the like. Subscribe and see you guys later on the road. 8 scores, ultimate goals, 1,000 more, some more. This course, like video, comment video really helps YouTube algorithm. Some more people see it. Sharing the video does help as well. Some more people could watch. And if you're watching and not subscribe, hit subscribe. Wait for the notification bell as well.